Good morning and welcome back to the HG Realistic Show with Mr. Grimm. Small learning gaps can become larger ones if they are not identified and addressed earlier. Today's episode, I will address why early learning gaps grow if left unaddressed. Small learning gaps often become larger learning gaps when they are not identified and addressed earlier. Children learn at different rates. Some struggle needs attention. Missing foundational skills can make new learning more difficult. Early intervention is often easier than waiting until the problem becomes bigger. Parents and teachers should watch for warning signs and communicate regularly. Support, practice, and encouragement can help children catch up. Visualize a child who struggles slightly with letters, words, reading, numbers, and following instruction in school. At first, it seems small and manageable. As time goes on, these small gaps can become bigger, challenging in kindergarten and first grade, making learning more difficult and frustrating. Early support makes a major difference in long-term success. Disclaimer: this content in this podcast is provided for general educational purposes only and should not replace professional, legal, medical, educational, or psychological guidance. Listeners' discretion and professional consultation are encouraged when appropriate. My mission is simple: to reconnect early support with long-term learning success. Gaps should be addressed early, not ignored. Early learning gaps over time becomes constant development in a cumulative process. Skills beget skills. Without early intervention, these initial disparities compound, leading to wilderness achievement gaps, higher rates of grade retention, and significant lifelong disparity in educational and attainment and earning. On screen, you can read about learning gaps. Warning signs: repeated small struggle with basic skills, difficult keeping up after instruction, avoiding learning activities, frustration during a simple task. Red flags: gaps are increasing over time, falling behind peers constantly, no support or intervention in place, continuing confusion with basic concept. Early struggles are normal, but ignoring them can create long-term difficulties. Early support always leads to better outcome. Parents, if you feel your child may have some learning gaps, do not hesitate to seek help from your child teacher. They will take it from there. So many parents do not know what to do, how to ask for help, or where to start. Early learning gaps don't stay small when ignored. They often grow and surface later in school. As a former preschool director, teacher, and special education IEP educator, I've seen this happen across many grade levels. If you're a parent or caregiver and need guidance with your child learning or school readiness, I can help you understand where your child is and what step to take next. Thank you for listening to the HG Realty Show with Mr. Grimm. In my next episode, episode 19, I will be discussing how to understand school readiness beyond academic. Our email is hgrealisticpodcast@gmail.com. I'll see you in the next episode.